Welcome to the next stage in your study of biology, brought to you exclusively by E-StudyLab. Over these 2 sessions, we're going to turn our attention inward to the human body and begin to understand how it is built and how it works. It's easy to think of the body as a single thing, but in reality, it's an astonishing system of systems, each one carrying out its role quietly and continuously. What we are doing now is learning the language that helps us describe that complexity clearly. Let's begin with 2 closely related ideas: anatomy and physiology. Anatomy is about structure. It asks, what is the body made of? Where are its parts? How are they arranged? Physiology, on the other hand, is about function. It asks, what do those parts do? How do they work? How do they keep us alive? You can think of anatomy as learning the parts of a machine, the wires, pipes, and valves, while physiology is learning how the electricity flows and how pressure builds and releases. Both are important, and one makes little sense without the other. Now, let's step inside the body and look at how it is organized. The smallest living unit in your body is the cell. Every heartbeat, every breath, every movement begins here. Your body is made of trillions of tiny working units, each carrying out its tasks without complaint. When similar cells group together to perform a shared job, they form tissues. Muscle tissue helps you move. Nervous tissue helps you to feel and think. Epithelial tissue protects surfaces and lines organs. When different tissues work together, they form an organ. Your heart is not just muscle. It also includes nerves, blood vessels, and connective tissues, all coordinated towards the single purpose of pumping blood. Your lungs, stomach, and liver work the same way, not as single materials, but as communities of cooperating tissues. And when organs work together toward a larger task, they form an organ system. This is where the body begins to reveal itself as a true collaboration of systems, rather than a collection of parts. Let's walk through some of the major systems, not as a list to memorize, but as an exploration of living partnerships within your body. Your circulatory system acts like a transport network. It delivers oxygen, nutrients, and hormones, while carrying away waste. At its center is the heart, a muscular pump that beats over 100,000 times a day without resting. Your respiratory system supplies oxygen and removes carbon dioxide. Every breath refreshes the blood and keeps cells alive. Without oxygen, your organs would shut down within minutes. Your digestive system breaks down food and transforms it into energy and building material. That meal you ate today is quietly becoming muscle, skin, blood, and fuel. Your musculoskeletal system supports your body, protects delicate organs, and allows movement. Bones form a strong frame, while muscles do the work of moving it. Your nervous system is your communication network. It allows you to think, react, and feel. It sends signals with incredible speed, faster than anything you could consciously track. Your endocrine system also communicates, but more slowly and steadily, using hormones instead of electrical signals. It regulates growth, emotions, sleep, and reproduction. Your excretory system cleans the internal world of your body, filtering waste from the blood and keeping fluid levels in balance. And your immune system protects you, quietly scanning for danger, remembering past invasions, and launching defenses against disease long before you're aware of it. The wonder of the body is not just that these systems exist, it's that they cooperate. Nothing works alone. Your lungs depend on your heart. Your muscles rely on your blood. Your brain communicates through nerves and chemicals. Your digestion feeds every system. By the end of this topic, you won't just know these systems by name. You'll understand their relationships, and that's where real insight lives. Before we meet again, pay attention to something simple: your breathing. Notice how your chest rises and falls without you instructing it. That quiet rhythm is physiology in action. A reminder that this lesson is protected by copyright and is owned by E-StudyLab. In our next session, we'll look more closely at what keeps all of this working smoothly, how the body holds itself in balance, how disease interrupts it, and how nutrition and immunity shape your health every day.